Welcome to Mr. Lipsa. Samsung Galaxy Fold was a great foldable smartphone, but it failed in the market. There are few reasons behind that. There are rumors and leaks which are suggesting that Samsung is going to launch Fold 2 in July, or it can be August. In February, Samsung introduced us the Galaxy Z Flip, which was flip design foldable phone. Galaxy Z Flip was rumored to be Galaxy Fold 2, but it was not. According to rumors, Galaxy Fold 2 will launch soon in July, or it can be August. It's not confirmed yet in which month this Fold 2 will launch. As of Max Wingback, Galaxy Fold 2 will include S Pen, also Infinity V display, and Fold 2 will have Samsung's ultra thin glass, which was on Galaxy Z Flip, but it will be more tougher than Galaxy Fold's display. It means it will be more tougher than its predecessor. Front display, when you will use it when the device is folded, that will be larger than original Galaxy Folds. As of the Rosang, new front display will be 6.20 inches with the resolution of 2267 into 819 resolution, and main inside display and the main display which is inside that body, not inside the fold display, will be 7.59 inches with resolution of 2213 into 1689 pixels, and also main display will have 120 Hz refresh rate, and the second display which you will use when your device is folded, it will have 60 Hz refresh rate. And Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 can have Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 system on chip, or can have last year's Snapdragon 855. Galaxy Fold 2 will have 12 gigs of RAM and base storage model of 128 gigs of storage, but it's not clear yet, sorry for it. And cameras on Galaxy Fold 2, as of Max Wingback, Galaxy Fold 2 will have Galaxy S20 Plus camera array, which can be 12 megapixel mains, which will have 12 megapixel main sensor, 3x optical zoom, 64 megapixel telephoto sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and other same as like S20 Plus. For the front, there are rumors that are suggesting that there will be punch hole camera which will be 16 megapixel, or it can be 10 megapixel as last year. In February, Samsung launched Galaxy S20 series with 5G models. Also, then Galaxy Fold 2 will have 5G model. Also, Max said it. Galaxy Fold 2 will be much tougher than the last year's Galaxy Fold, and it will be good at its price point. Galaxy Fold 2 battery will have more capacity than original Galaxy Fold. Galaxy Fold 2 can have 5000 mAh Li-ion battery, or can be much more than its, because it's not confirmed yet. What did I told you here in this video? That all was leaks and rumors. After the official announcement, there can be some changes, so don't judge me in the comments below. Please press the subscribe button and hit side bell icon, which is right there. My name is Aaron. See you in the next one.